In this video, I want to show you guys how to insert booking code in 1xBet. If you have a booking code and you want to insert it and load the games in 1xBet, this video will show you how to go about it. So as you can see, I'm currently in 1xBet platform. This is the interface. So for you to insert the booking code, you need to click this place is written 0 down here. Click on it. As you can see, bet slip, my bets. Once it's on bet slip, you see where it's written save load bet slip, save/load bet slip. You click on it that way to bring this load for and code for loading. Then you insert the code you have for your booking code. For example, let's insert this 1xBet code I have here, which is V5 6A8. Then after inserting it, you load it. As you can see, we've successfully loaded the 1xBet booking code. Here are the games in the booking code. So guys, that is it on how to insert 1xBet booking code. I believe you now understand how to insert the booking code of 1xBet. Thank you guys.